everybody, my name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. Today I am going to be doing a colorful DIY holiday nutcracker. If you like these short little DIY videos, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I thought about starting a little series here on my channel just of short DIYs. So what I did is I went to Michael's and I got a whole bunch of paint and little wooden nutcrackers, and I decided to paint them these like 6 pastel colors. Pastel, is that a word? Well, it is now. But I wanted to put these inside of my daughter's bedroom just for a fun color Christmas decoration. I've seen these on Pinterest and I've seen some in store, but they cost so much, and I love those like really pastel-y pretty colored bottle brush trees, and I thought I wasn't going to go with the trees this year. She's 3 years old. She probably would want to play with them and break them. So with these, they're pretty durable and she can play with them, or they can sit up on her shelf as decorations. So not going to lie, this DIY took me 6 hours. I did not do it all at once. I broke it out over a couple of days. That's why you will see quite a few different clothes changed in this video, but it was very tedious. I decided to leave the hair on the nutcrackers. I could not find ones without hair. There is a tutorial out there. If you go to my blog post that I will have linked down in the description, and I will show you kind of a sneak peek of it at the end of this video. There is a girl that I seen her blog post, and she actually has a tutorial on how to take all the hair off with the glue if that's what you guys want. So I did link her in my blog post, but I decided to keep the hair on. I thought it was kind of fun, but when I decided to do that, it also made it quite difficult for me to paint all around it and not get paint in his hair. Yeah, it was tedious, but it was kind of therapeutic at the same time, and this was literally so simple. You can make this DIY as simple as you want it to. You can spray paint them. If you didn't care about the hair, you can paint them like I did. It really just depends on what you want to do. I was so happy with the end results, and I absolutely love it. This project only cost me less than $15. That was all the supplies, the wooden nutcrackers, and everything. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please go check my blog post out. I worked really hard on it, and I will link it down below. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!